Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is gonna make a new unboxing and also excuse me. So this is my first time. This is my first purchase from Amazon, right? So as you can see, we got some Amazon Prime over here, and we've got the smile, right? We got the smile and also okay, right over here. Is we're gonna go opening this up, right? So okay, so let's go gonna unbox this one. So this is an MP3 player, right? So uh, Android MP3. Okay, this is an Android MP3 player that I bought from Amazon, right? So let's go check this out. Okay, and then so this is so nice. So this is my first time to have a Amazon. This is my first time to purchase it. This is my first time to purchase in Amazon. So let's go gonna check it out. What's in here? So some wrap. Okay, we got some wrappers right there. Okay, and then we're gonna take this off, and here it goes, guys. So I saw here got Innioasis. So this is the Android MP3, right? So it is so heavy. So and it's also what I have, and also what I have in here is also the case for the Android MP3, and also the tempered glass from the Android MP3. So okay, let's go gonna unbox this one by one. Okay, I have to take this off. Okay, so this one is hard. Okay, this one is hard. So this is the tempered glass. So let's go gonna take this off, and then let's go gonna peel this. Okay, yeah, here it goes. And then so this is the tempered glass for the Android MP3, right? So from the Innioasis, right? So why is it so hard to take it off? Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the tempered glass after I make this video, right? So it's because I am not so good putting a tempered glass for the okay, so why is it so hard to take this off? Okay, here it goes. Oops. Okay, and here it's there. Okay, okay, there's also for you to pick it up, and then how many tempered glass? Oh, okay, okay, there's 3 tempered glass on it. Whoa, nice. Okay, I like that one. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. So, and of course, the next is we gonna open this hard case for the MP3, right? So, okay, let's go gonna check this out. Okay, then there it goes. Oh, nice. So LT gem. Okay, let's go gonna check it out. And oh, nice. Okay, got some strap like right here, and also we got some for the accessories over here. Oh, nice. Okay, and then the moment of truth. Okay, this one right here. Okay, wow, nice packaging, right? So digital music player G3, and then yes, really goes for the moment of truth to open this up, and then okay, hard to open this one. Okay, 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 there it goes, and then oops, and then let's go gonna whoa, nice. Okay, so this is the MP3 right over here. So before that, let's go check the accessories over here, and then we got some type C, right? And it has some, so it has some color, right? Right. It has some color, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, inside, and we've got some. What is this? Um, yes, earphones, and ooh, we've got some memory card. Oh, nice. Okay, 128 gigabyte. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. And then there's some user manual. So this hello. Okay, how to use. Okay. It has on also FM radio, right? So okay, so any Oasis G3 digital music player, and it is an Android, right? So this is an Android, so I'm gonna have to put that, okay, right there. And also memory card, so go back to this one and gonna put it back right where it belong. I'm gonna keep this box, right? So I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so here it goes. Let's go, gonna open this up, and then this bad boy right over here. Whoa, wow, oh my god, wow. Okay, this is so awesome. Oh yes, so that's satisfying. So what we have right here is also, there's the uh, micro SD card slot, and then we've got some also right here, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, got some speaker, uh, USB port, and we got some microphone, right? And also we got some volume, and then also the on and off. So let's go, gonna turn it on. Innioasis. Oh, this is just like a this is just like a smartphone, right? Mini smartphone. So let's check the battery. Okay, let's go, gonna check the battery on it. So all right, perfect. So sorry for the light. Okay, it's already full. Oh, okay. So what we have right here, we got some music, Spotify Kids, Apple Music, Amazon Music. Oh, okay, sorry. Amazon Music, Pandora, Deezer, we got some Tidal, Audible, Audiobooks, Libby, LibriVox. Okay, so I think that's for the, okay, uh, okay, what's up, Kindle, Chrome, Videos Gallery, FM radio, recorder, ebook, clock, calculator, file transfer, file manager, and settings. So right over here, okay, let's go to the settings. So I'm gonna connect it into the internet. So gonna have to, okay, connect to the internet. Okay, so here it goes, already connected to the internet. So we got some hotspot in tethering. Okay, got some VPN, got some file manager right here. Okay, guys have to agree, and then you got some phone storage of available 25.47. So I think, how many, you know okay, let's go, gonna check the, okay, I didn't see the memory of this one. So since this is an Android MP3, right? So okay, there it goes. So I'm gonna have to connect my Facebook, right? Okay, so logging in into my logging into my, Spotify. So let's try some music. If it's gonna be a loudspeaker, right? So okay, let's go try. Okay. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. Really like this. So, I don't have an Amazon Music, right? So this is an Android, right? It's because it can. I think this is not an Android, right? So let's go connect my Amazon Music. So it can goes with it can, but also use the use an it can go to right. Okay. Here you go. Nice. Okay. Heavy music 4.3.1. Since it doesn't have a music, right? So wow, nice. Okay, so oh, it can play videos. Okay, it can play videos. I didn't know that. Okay, so swipe. So this is great, and it's really it got some clock right over here, right? So clock, right? Nice, awesome. Like this, and got some FM radio. So to start this, and plug in headphones. Use as antenna, right? Got some gallery over here. Nice. Okay. I love this. I love this one. We got some Kindle over here. Right. I can also read some ebooks, right? For free. Yo, nice. Like this one. All right. So, okay. Nice. Okay. Really like this. Really like this one. Right. So, I'm gonna make an also a I'm gonna make also a follow-up video for this one. So I'm gonna also gonna make a review for this one. Okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on my next video, everyone.